Hey, what's up guys? Let's open up these Rugtol bungee straps here and see what all they come with. So quick mention here as I'm looking at the box, 100% lifetime guarantee. So let's flip these open. Slide it out. So you can see they come in a nice drawstring carry bag here. Make sure I got everything out of there. Paperwork with their lifetime guarantee and those things. So this is a pack of 5. All right, so here we go. First look and first impressions on these. Give them a pull. The Bungee nylon material feels really strong. Take a look at these clips. First thoughts on the carabiners here. They seem pretty standard, nothing wrong with them. They seem like fine quality. I do like the ends on the bungee cords here. If you can see in there closely, it looks like they're secured in there really good. I don't know if you've ever used other bungee cords, but I have that either like pull out or they seem like fray right up here at the connections there. These actually look like they're built in there pretty good, so they seem like they'll hold on strong there. And then, so yeah, so I gave you a look at that end, and then on the other end, it's adjustable. So how do they adjust? Super simple. You see it has little teeth in the groove right here. So that locks it in place. You want to adjust the length, just pop that bad boy open and then lock it back down just like that to shorten your length. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. I just really quickly wanted to open them up and get my and give you my first impressions on them. I'll do more videos, of course, to let you know what I think about them after I actually test them out.